Girls love romance, from classic romantic films to loving stories and poems. The idea of romance and what it should look like is, romanticized from the moment girls are born. And you know what? It can make it very difficult for you guys to live up to these expectations, because how can you compare to Disney's Prince Charming? There's no chance. Well, there is kind of a way that you can compare, and it's by performing these romantic gestures. You know what's up. I'm going to teach you today all about the gestures that girls love so that you can get the attention and affection of any girl. Now, some of these gestures are big and some of them are kind of small, so you can pick and choose them depending on what stage your relationship is at. Like and subscribe. Let's go. Surprise her with concert tickets. If a girl that you like has a favourite band or singer, then why not surprise her with tickets to their next show? Not only will it double as a date, but she will be really surprised by your gesture. Now, this is pretty big and sometimes an expensive gesture, but if she is your girlfriend, then you could gift it to her for a birthday or even a Christmas present. Take her for a weekend road trip. A weekend away outside of your normal surroundings can really refresh and rejuvenate a relationship. Whether you are dating or in a serious relationship, a trip can really spice things up. Plus, it will get you major brownie points, especially if you frame it as a surprise gesture. You will most definitely get into her good books. Help her with her bucket list. Most girls, believe this or not, have a bucket list, which is a list of things that they want to do before a certain amount of time. For some, it could be before a certain age, and for others, it's before they die. Now, once you know what is on that bucket list, well, you can help them to achieve it. For example, she might really want to travel to a certain country, and if the budget allows, why not treat her to a trip? Throw a surprise party. Everyone loves a surprise, right? So organise a surprise party or dinner for her birthday or another big occasion. The effort that it takes to organise for all of her friends and family to get into one room and to make sure that they will keep it a secret will be enough to win her over forever. Set up a scavenger hunt. This is probably my favourite one. It's fun, it's cheap, or as expensive as you want it to be. You can set it up around her garden, around the park, somewhere in the city that you live. Leave clues in her favourite places and let the prize be a date. She is going to love all of the thought that you have put into it. Buy her something that she has been wanting for a while. Girls drop hints when they see things they like, so you might be shopping together and she mentions something that she would really like. So just keep a note of it and then buy it when she's not there and surprise her with it. And if you would like to make it the ultimate gesture, then just give it to her on a random day for no reason at all. Buy her an engraved gift. A well thought out gift can be made a million times better with a simple personalization. You can make it timeless by simply engraving her name into the back of a watch, for example. Or if you are in a serious relationship, it could be an inside joke or a quote that represents love for you both. Treat her to a pampering day at the spa. All girls, they love to be pampered. They spend hours on their hair and makeup, so they love nothing more than going to a spa. It's probably the most relaxed you will ever see a lady. You could book them a spa day by themselves, with their friends, or even with you, because gents, I know you like to be pampered as well. And that way she gets to relax and spend time with you. Take a class together. Maybe you have both been discussing about learning Spanish together or even making candles. If you both have shared passions and interests, then why not take some classes together? It can be a fun way to spend time and learn new things. And if you book the class, she will be flattered by this romantic gesture. Bring her favourite drink. Let's talk about some small gestures, but things that girls absolutely love and will always win them over. Pick up her favourite coffee on your way to meeting her or her favourite tea. She's going to be so flattered that you remembered her order, as it shows just how interested in her you really are. Make a list of 100 things that you love about her. This one's kind of reserved for those that are in a committed relationship. It's a big commitment to take that time to write down 100 things that you love about her. However, girls love to see this type of commitment from a guy, and I promise you, she will never forget this lovely thing that you did. Cook for her. It's simple, but very romantic. Give your girl the kindest gesture of all. Allow her to put her feet up, cook her favourite meal, showing her that you have listened to what she likes, and show off those cooking skills. She's going to be head over heels for you even after that first bite. Help her with the chores. It could be laundry, doing the dishes, or just helping to clean up a random room in the house. Every girl would appreciate this gesture of you helping her clean up. Now, you don't have to make a big deal of it to make a big impact, just simply offering to help will make her feel incredibly happy. Tell her how you feel about her. This one's great for when you're in that early stage of dating. If you've not told her yet how you feel about her, then sit down because this could be the right time. She's going to be thankful that you made the first move, and it means that you can both move forward together. Buy her favourite dessert, probably my second favourite tip of the video. Chocolate cake, ice cream, or maybe both. All girls have a secret sweet tooth and love indulging in desserts every now and then. Why not surprise her by taking her out for her favourite dessert? She will absolutely love the gesture. Buy her flowers. Another lovely gesture is to buy her favourite flowers. Girls love flowers or plants, so you don't need to stress out on buying the right ones. They will just love the gesture, I promise. Ask her about her day and listen. This one, completely free. She might have had the best day at work, or it could have been a mediocre day or even the worst. Either way, she wants to talk about it to someone, and that person can be you. Whether you are on a date or at home, ask her how her day went and give her that time to talk about it. Frame a picture of the both of you. Your first picture as a couple is the best picture to frame if you want that romantic gesture. It's so easy to print out pictures now and to frame them, and she will probably keep it right next to her bed, and every time she looks at it, she's going to feel so much love. Send her a letter. There is something so special about getting post unless it's a bill, and it's even more romantic if it's a handwritten letter from you. If you write her a letter, she is going to keep it forever and constantly read it whenever she's thinking about you. Visit her. If you guys don't live that close to each other, then why not surprise her and visit her on her days off or on the weekend? She's gonna love spending time with you, and she will love that romantic gesture. It's a win-win, and it's brownie points because you get to spend time with the girl that you like. Send her sweet text every morning. Come on, it takes 2 minutes to send a nice text in the morning, maybe even less, and it really can set the day up for a lady. You can say something as simple as, "Good morning, beautiful," and all she's going to think about for the rest of the day is you, and she's going to be in an amazing mood all day, maybe even week. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.